How to apply a promo code on Walmart. Welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can apply a promo code in Walmart. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Walmart application on your mobile device, then sign in into your Walmart account. So once you're logged in, you have to add items to your cart. So for that, browse through the items, then select your preferred items. After that, tap on add to cart for everything that you want. Once you have added your items on the cart, navigate to the cart icon at the top right corner. Review your order, tap on continue to check out. Now on the checkout screen, you have to scroll down a bit, add your payment method, scroll down, and there you will find an option to add the promo code. There's an option as have a promo code, so you have to tap on that drop down, then you have to enter your code under the section add the promo code. Make sure that you apply the valid code, and then the discount will be immediately applied on your total order. Tap on save cart. After that, confirm your payment, your delivery or pickup location and address. And after that, tap on place order to finish. So that's it. That's how you can apply promo code in Walmart, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.